Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change PSN account date of birth. So all you need to do is go onto your computer or phone and then go and open up an internet browser and go to a search engine. Then what you need to do is go and search for Sony account mobile. So type that in Sony account mobile, just like so. We can go and search Sony because Sony actually owns PlayStation and your account is all sort of integrated. Then what you want to do is make sure you go to this top result account .sonymobile.com, just like so. Wait for it to load, and then all you need to do is go and enter your email. So for this email, this is going to be your PlayStation email. So I will type mine and now, which is this one, and then go and press sign in just like this. So, and then as you can see, it will take a moment to load, and during this account linking process, you're going to go and have the opportunity to go and update your date of birth. As you can see, it says for search accounts you are only allowed to update your date of birth at this. So make sure you go and enter the correct date of birth here. Mine was actually wrong, which is why I want to update it. So I'll update it to this. Then all you need to do is go and press save, just like so, and then it's going to go and update your date of birth. And there we go. I've gone and created this link and updated my date of birth, and that's it. Thank you guys for watching this video. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel.